Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mudasir here, and today I am going to show you eBay product scraper to scrap the products data from ebay.com. In this video, you will see how I have extracted this data of products by using this tool. So this is the tool that I have developed. I am a full stack developer and I also provide my web automation and data scraping services here. Feel free to contact me if you have any custom projects. Now I am going to explain all of its features and how to use this tool to scrap the products data by using category or the supplier links. To run this tool, I'll send this zip folder to you. You will have to first extract it, and after that you will just have to run this exe file. Well, today we are going to do scrapping by using category or supplier links. Let's collect some category or supplier links from website. For example, we choose this category and this subcategory, and here you can see here are the products of this category. Just simple copy the link and paste here, and let's collect some supplier links. For example, I choose this product, and on this product this is the supplier, this is the supplier link, and this supplier has products. So this is the listing of this supplier products. Just simple copy this supplier link and paste here. Once you choose all your desired links, then you can specify your number of products for each link that you want to scrap. In my case, I am going to scrap 60 products for each link, and this option will export all the scrap data for each link separately. And before starting, go in the options to choose your desired data columns. I am choosing all, and this option is to apply some custom filters. I am clicking this OK, and I show you how it works. Just click start button. Now it has loaded the website and it is showing message. As we enable this feature, request custom filters, and it is now showing message to apply some custom filters. Let's apply some custom filters by here, like this one. And once you apply your custom filters, just click OK, and then the bot will start to scrap each product one by one. Okay, it is now scraping the data, and you can also count the number of rows by right clicking at any column name and click on show footer, and from the footer click count here. And this option is to download the images. I show you how it downloads. It downloads the images in this folder, and in this folder it will download the images named with the SKU number so that they can be found easily by using the SKU numbers. But right now I don't need this feature, and this option is to scrap the data in the database. SQLite database system is also integrated with this tool. Let me show you. This is the database, and data is saving here as well, and this option will delete all the data from the database. And this is email notification system. All you need is to type your email here and choose your desired time interval. I am choosing this one. Now it will notify me once it gets completed. As we specified 60 products for each link, and we have 2 links here, it means it will scrap total 120 products. And to save our time, I am going to make the video 2x faster, and after that we will see the results, and I'll show you how to export this scrap data into Excel file. Okay, the scrapping process is near to be completed and it has exported all the data, and it is showing message that all products data have been scrapped and exported into files. Now I show you where it has exported the data. We can look at the output folder from here as well, here, and we can also go from here. The data will be saved here in this folder. As we mentioned that auto export for each category link, we were using 2 category links and it has exported 2 category files. Okay, let's open one file. Now it has first category link products and they are 60, and the file named with the current date and time, it contains all the data of both categories. Okay, and now I show you how to export this data manually. Click export button and specify your output location like my desktop and choose your file name here and choose your desired output format, and this option will open the file after exporting. Now it has exported the file and we can further edit this file. Let me show you how. Okay, our file is ready for use and we has also enabled email notification system. Now I show you how it notifies. So we have received an email and it is showing that it has scrapped 120 products and the application name. Okay, so this is our tool, and if you want to get this tool or have any questions, feel free to contact me. The contact details are provided in the description. That's all. Thanks for your time watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with our new upcoming tools and their updates. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.